You know, what is reality? And then your emotions. You know, are you being led by your emotions? Do you have no filter? You know, do you think, oh, I feel this way, therefore it is real? Maybe your feelings aren't so important. Maybe sometimes you just gotta suck it up and go, you know what? I'm tired of being unhappy. I'm gonna change stuff. I'm gonna be, if I can't be happy, I'm gonna be optimistic. You know what? Like right now, I'm kind of struggling, but I won't always be. You know, someday I'll look back and go, oh, those were the hard days. I'm so much happier now that I got through the hard times. You know, live it up. It may never be this bad again. And you'll want to remember what it's like. Stood there in the back of the church of the broken people. Listen to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. Then a man started talking about the devil and the bottle was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. It ain't the whiskey that's killing me. Duche manadu, daga we duka wishin. Weweni ji, not a good a wonderman. Ji odapanaman anu kagashki katosewan. Ji anji sadoyan. Jide apachite ayan. Ji anji sadoyan. Kagashki katoyan. Day apachit nabuakayan. It came the man, oh no. Watch get your money. Watch. There's an dawi egg. On the mat there. It's the Serenity Prayer. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the cigarette. It ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, and it ain't the all night. No, it ain't that easy. And it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. That's killing me. That's killing me. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the whiskey. Oh. And yeah, let's leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Miigwech Kanawani BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language.